other prime examples of prosecutorial misconduct and justice gone awry. In the city of Chicago, there have been a number of incidences involving prosecutorial misconduct on the level of what happened to Michael Morton. Frequently the zeal and the effort of the prosecutor to substantiate the guilt of an individual that that person believes is guilty of an offense leads to this horrible situation that we see in the Michael Morton case. Prosecutors, for instance, are bound, whether they know it or not, by the activities of law enforcement in the investigation of and prosecution of cases. If, for instance, there are examples of impeachable testimony that should be able to be brought out by the defense, if the defense knows about those instances of impeachable testimony, then it's prosecutorial misconduct for that testimony to be withheld and that evidence to be withheld from the defense. Such things as prior inconsistent statements on the part of a witness. Sometimes defense lawyers aren't made aware of that and have no way of finding it out. The defense lawyer can go out to a witness or a police officer and request an interview. No one has to talk to the defense lawyers. The individual simply declines, probably having been forewarned by a district attorney that this effort would be made on the part of the defense lawyer. This is not righteous and leads to horrible results. I might add that since the Michael Morton case, the prosecution and the various district attorney offices that I'm acquainted with across the state have literally bent over backwards in making certain that every aspect of the investigation of a case involving a client of mine is made available to me, to include individual witnesses that have been talked with that have nothing good to say about the state and might have favorable testimony. I'm entitled to obtain copies not only of the offense report, but also statements of individuals that have been investigated, interrogated relative to guilt or innocence. We're not where we should be, but we're getting close.